So for this video, we're going to answer these following questions all throughout for this video, which is only computers in 192.168.1.0 network can access server 1, and PC4 cannot communicate with the 192.168.1.0 network. So the first thing we need to do here is to create a standard ACL on router 2. So ito na yung mga pre-reconfigured IP address nitong mga devices nandito. So which is access list is 1 permit 192.168.1.0, tapos yung wildcard mask niya is 0.0.255, tapos int f0 IP access group 1 out. So meaning yung ginawa nating ACL na to, it only permits traffic from 192.168.1 to reach the interface, which is yung DD9 naman is implicit or explicit, but it ensures if everything is black. So the second one, which is PC4 cannot communicate with 192.168.1.0 network. So in order to do that, creating and apply ACL on router 1. So access list 1 deny host 192.168.2.14, access list 1 permit any in f0 IP access group 1 out. So itest natin if yung mga computers na dito sa 192.168.1.0 is ma-access nila yung server 1. At tignan natin if ma-access rin ba ng 192.168.2.0 yung server 1. So try natin sa PC1. So ping 192.168.3.100. So ayan, napiping niya naman. And then ping natin dito sa PC2 yung server 1. So ayan, napiping niya. So dako naman tayo dito sa switch sa network na to, which is sa PC3 ping 192.168.100. So it prohibits, so hindi niya maping since yung ginawa natin ACL is blocking PC3 and PC4 to access server 1. So dito naman sa PC4, so na satisfy naman natin tong mga question for this lab. So that's it.